YouTube, this is the Happy Guys 306, and we're going to be doing part 2 of the Happy Wheels. And I want to give a shout out to Credence DIY. If you haven't already subscribed to her, go subscribe to her right now. Peace. Let's get into the video. Yeah, now we're going to start playing. No, I'm just going to go on let's do the browse levels. Tell me what you guys want to do next, like play any game. Hobo Hippie Massacre. Let's try that. Okay. The heck? Oh! Whoa! This is fun. What the heck? I'm stuck. No! Ugh. I think I'm just gonna have to retry that. Okay. I'm just gonna go straight. Right over it. Up, up. Yes. And there we go, boys. We did it. Now, what else? Impossible. 99% possible. Impossible. Okay. Let's see if that's true. Irresponsible. Holy smokes! No. Impossible. Okay, let's try this one more time. Okay, it's right there. I see it. Oh, I'm gonna try a different person. What? I'm just gonna go with this guy. I'm too good for school. Oh no! Oh, just about. Okay, let's see. Anything else? Glass helicopter. Let's see if this works. Glass helicopter. Let's do this. What? I'll just play this. Oh! Now that was a really sucky thing. That would suck. Okay. That's it for today. Just tell me what to play next and I'll play it. Comment what you want to do, what you want me to do next, and give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. And remember to go subscribe to Credence DIY. And my brother here is going to be starting a gaming channel, so look out for that soon. Okay, peace.